Yo, Dragon,
Yo, yo.
would you sell your Baba calls right now if you have in the money for next week?
Let me take a look. Did we take out that high? If we can't take out the high, yeah, I would try and get out as quick as possible or avoid the double top. It's into the trend line too. Yeah, I mean, I think it's just a good spot to take it. I mean, at least hopefully you have more than one. Maybe you can trim and maybe just see if it starts
Yeah,
to pull
yeah,
back.
for
Um,
sure.
cause yeah, against 105, I just look at this. The man, maybe it does get one more leg. If it's gonna pop
I'll just
107,
leave some runners game.
yeah, I think it's just gonna make one more high if it does. But yeah, I mean, I got out because I was I was down kind of bad yesterday. I did not manage that right. But I did ended up green. So UPST, the QSI,
Yeah, bro.
TTWO, let's go.
PST pick.
Let's go.
Dude, I got that move after hours last night. I don't even know from what, but
Yeah, I
got
think
some
it was a
fractal. It looks good.
yeah, it was a firm. Actually, a firm had earnings and they had a really good reaction for whatever reason. So I think it was just sympathy, largely. Yeah,
Did you
Affirm.
see the Kramer pump yesterday of Take Two?
Dude, look at Affirm. Gap, huge gap into 75 on earnings, and then another gap higher. Wow. Um, what did he talk about TTWO?
Yeah, he was like saying don't buy GameStop, buy TTWO.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I told him that breakout too. Nice. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go higher. I got 205 as my first level. Could pull back to 200, maybe 195 there, but it did break out of the 195 level. That was the first thing. So Osha, I'm not trading right now. I'm chilling. I got too much going on. Sorry. I'm not even caught up on charts. I feel bad. And Spy is not doing shit. So like, here, I'll post in there. I'll take some. Let me take them. Spy. I'm probably gonna lose on this trade because Osha's forcing me to fucking trade.
Osha, don't fuck things up for him.
I'm taking 608 for Monday. Uh,
And it's
180.
Osha's fault if they don't play out.
Yo, limit 180. Oh fuck, I'm getting chased. See if I get filled. Filled at 181. Okay. 608. I do have to get in the habit of it. Like that's the thing for me. Like I have to get in the habit of
Of what?
it. Posting in there. 'I am just gonna put a hard stop in case we get chopped up at one point. Let me actually look at the see what I like to do typically, like instead of just being like, oh, hard 20%, hard $40, like I like to have a dollar amount stop. Like that's how I like to trade because it makes sense to me because that's what I'm here to do is make dollars, not percentages. Um, so I like to look at the what's it called? The chart, the premium chart. So I pull up the premium chart. Oof, don't really like this. Yeah, it makes me think we're gonna get theta bang because the low yesterday was like 1.58. So like I think that's the low from yesterday. It might even be the low from today. Um, yeah, it is the low from today, 1.58. So like they could potentially be chopping us up and go sweep that low. So if I set my stop at 1.65, like it makes me feel like I'm gonna get stopped out. Um, so I kind of like to use those things in conjunction. Actually, the low of the day today is down to 1.54, which is just like almost 25%. I'll set it at. I'll just do 1.6 and watch the 607 level. 1.59 because I don't like whole numbers. But hey, new high day. Let's go. continue on. Just don't smack us back below 607 and we're Gucci. Fuck you, OSHA. Drink your water. My goodness. I got hot mouth like a bitch. Discord, Twitter. Okay. Hey, it's working. Stop and profit. Actually, stop at break even. 1.81. All right. You're welcome, OSHA. Suck my balls.
He would.
Would. UPST, the fucking greatest stock on the planet.
What's your strike for PST?
I don't have any options right now. I'm just, well, actually that's not true. I have January. Let me pull it up. Yeah, I only have really far dated. Obviously yesterday was the day to take some shorter dated shit. Or even today at open. I want to take a look at what I do have though. Give us 75. Excuse me. I actually have some 125s for January. Because I started buying the highest strike. I'm up 13% on them from or just today's move, or like the last 2 days move, I guess. I'm gonna get stopped on SPY. Hell yeah, Doug. Baba's still strong. RX, man, the volatility on this thing. Did just retest the breakout too. Ooh, it's so nice to see God candles from my favorite stonk. Tesla, the nice move today too. Swept the earnings low and then popped.
Yeah, I'm playing some 0DTs in Tesla.
Nice. Nice.
We can get the move in the next hour.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it above that 374. The shelf there is really clean. Oh, that'd be dope, actually. Yeah, that could actually help too. We could do something like that.
Wow, yeah, I figured.
UPST. 11% today. See, this is what makes me think like, okay, pump pre-earnings and then they're gonna theta bang it, right? Because like now
get everyone interested.
Yeah, now it's exactly. Oh, a firm like me. I mean, the only reason, well, not the only reason, but one of the main reasons I wanted to look at UPST was because of the reaction to the firm. So that's what we're seeing right now is basically FOMO. Pump it into earnings, and now I think depending. I mean, we still have again 3 days before the earnings release, but now I would assume they're gonna bang the theta. That's a nice, good shit, good trade on that, bro. Oof. Beautiful. Nvidia just climbing higher. 130 now. Yeah, going for the 132 target I got. Let's see. Yeah, Yeah, 132, possibly up to 135 even. Did I get stopped out of SPY? I did not. Let's go.
Made $10.
Yeah, I'm a 5%. Let's go.
It's all right. Rather have 10 than negative 10.
Yeah, I mean, it's working. It's working. I'm in my Fidelity, so I would have taken some 607 0 DTEs, but I can't. At least not in this platform. Might as well take $10 on a couple of these. Dun, 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 dun. Google still weak.
Bitcoin's back.
Dude, they've been, man, send it. Did I get stopped out of Solana?
Tesla is Hulk digging.
Is what?
Holy shit. Hulk digging.
Oh, I thought you said halted. I said, what?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's awesome, bro. Fuck yeah. 380. Love it. Well done. Break that downtrend now. Let's go, SPY. 608. Take me. Gimme in the money. Mm-hmm. 10%. OSHA, Venmo me 40 grand now.
Yeah, OSHA.
Akko keeps ripping. SMCI leaps up 20%. Yep, dude. They're gonna print. They're gonna fucking... Charlie said millionaire maker, bro, and I'm fucking believing him. Like, I'm with him. I'm
Wait,
so
what
serious.
leaps did you get?
I don't have any yet. I'm watching. I have a lot of shares. I've been accumulating shares. I won't become a millionaire with my shares, but but I do think this thing has the potential to go to all-time highs from here. Like if we get a wave 3 from here, it's very simple. Rithwik, I mean, pull it up. Rithwik will tell us we're gonna fucking go. We're gonna break 51 and we're gonna head straight to 78, and then we're gonna be back in the range of 75 to 100. Hell yeah, Berg.
Berg's on the plane.
I don't know what's Berg do. From the skies, he is on the plane. What a fucking guy. Yeah. Legend.
Get that Wi-Fi.
Absolute legend. SPY 608, we are in the money. Barely.
Let's go. I just hopped into 607s.
You just ride him in the money.
Let's go.
Bang theta. Yeah, Bitcoin above 100. Oh, that's right. I'm going to see if I got stopped on Solana. I did not. Let's go. GME, just hold 25, pop us into 27. And then dip to 23.
And took a loss on that.
Noah, what do you mean? Right where? On the 607, yeah. 1, 2. Yeah, shelf's at 607.5. So if we chop 607.5 support, or that's what we'd look to hold to just kind of keep building out these volume shelves higher. The millionaire maker, SMCI, bro.
UPST. Drop it to 20.
Yeah, UPST at $20 was the millionaire maker. For fucking
Dude.
Sure.
I was like, I'm not listening to this clown who I just tuned into.
It was like at historic lows and shit. Like this thing, it came down from 400.
Biggest regret.
Biggest pump and dump ever. Fucking what a retard. TEM. Yeah, I bet that shit's still going. Yeah, pulled back to 65. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Nancy can barely walk, yet she's making millions.
And Swerve. Swerve's also the millionaire maker. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Doug.
Hell yeah, Aklo. Yeah, dude, that sweep back when that sweep of that lower shelf. Oh my god, it's over 60. I can't believe they actually let people feel. Well, I can't. Like that $20 sweep, and like moving to $18. Oh my god. Yeah. See ya. $30 higher. $40 higher. Sorry. Let's go, super bad. Hell yeah. Printing on SMCI.
Scooter.
Bitcoin strong. Miners, except for, I don't know. Yeah, most of the miners pulling off the highs a lot more than Bitcoin is, but see if Bitcoin follows through and they can follow suit. What would breakout on Bitcoin be? $104.5. Yeah, our pivot from before. Same level. Wow. SPY. Let's go. Coin over 280 again. Aklo, let me pull it up because yeah, this is extending high. I got 60 as a level up here. Definitely watch the 60 level. If it breaks that, it'll get, well, eventually it's going to 75. So 60 would be my first level. If it pulls off 60, you got $50, 52, 50 support. But through 60, 75 is the target. Wow. That's it. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my. That's gorgeous. Yeah, SMCI gonna do that. SPY back below 608.
Just got stopped out of our GTI.
I think I just got stopped on my calls too. Oh, not yet, but close.
Dude, Dragon, what do you think about Shop's chart? Swings on it are pretty crazy.
Shop. At here, I would watch it. Yeah, those are really nice swings. So it's got trending highs. Let's see what the pattern in here looks like.
Motherfucker. And stopped out too early.
Them 0 DTEs.
Yeah, not risking it.
It's the beauty of a margin account, man. Like,
Guess
yeah,
who should have sold her Carvana last night?
did it don't.
Fuck.
Like, yeah, it's so below 124. Like, I think shop can be moving into 124, but I'd be worried below that level that it's gonna come and kind of consolidate lower. So above that, I think it breaks out for the larger target I have is 140. So ultimately, it's headed to 140 in my opinion. Whether or not it breaks through 124, heads there sooner, or consolidates more in the, call it, really even like 110 to 120 range. So yeah, I'd watch the 120. Over 120, you're likely to at least maybe try and test the 124 breakout level. but below 120, probably consolidate in that $10 range. All right, there, I got stopped on SPY. I should probably post that in that thing too. Yeah, it would have been a better trade on 0GTs for damn sure.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the thing about that channel, dude. I don't know. I'm not like scalping ain't gonna work for the people that are like I don't want to do
Yeah.
0DTs in there because, like I said yesterday, I trade in and out of those things fucking,
way too
quick to
there's
be
no
posting it.
way
Like, like I'll buy it, post it or tweet it, and then I'm already
You're already
stopped
out.
Yeah, I'm already out. It's like fuck. So I'm
Yeah,
so I gotta get
been
some
in and out of SPY like 3 times so far.
Right. Yeah, because I mean we're getting a directional move, but it is just extremely choppy. But hey, green is green. I ain't complaining.
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck. Our GTI cocksucker. Now let's hope Carvana turns around because I did not have a stop on this.
I need to get out of bed and chart it, but what do you think? SSDI pulling back to 30, 32 for another leg. That's when I'm gonna take probably my leaps because I missed it. Let's see. I'm actually just gonna look at volume first. Yeah, I think it's pretty clear that we're gonna get pullbacks. I mean, look at the volume shelf here. We're in actually above 35. We may get sucked up to 40. So yeah, one of two things on SMCI. I think we either pop into 40 and probably consolidate between 40 and 35, even 36 actually. So that will probably be where I'll pull back into like kind of where we are now. But yeah, if we do, I think I'd pull back into 32 makes a ton of sense if we can't hold above 36. 30, 32, yeah, exactly. I mean, the shelf is extremely clear on that, absolutely. Whoa, SPY, big dump news.
Ooh,
Actually, I think I'm buying this dip.
knife catch.
I think I'm buying this dip. Hold on.
What happened?
605. Yeah, okay. As long as 605, I think consumer sentiment just hit. Yeah. Come on.
Oh.
No, I didn't get filled. No. Where are you going? Fuck.
Fill me. No.
No.
That's bullshit.
Fuck. I didn't get filled. Wasn't quick enough. Son of a bitch. And I'm not
I got
chasing.
filled on my SPX.
And I'm not chasing. If they give me another entry, okay.
Oops.
Damn it, dude.
I got filled.
Knew that was gonna happen. That's that third. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, fuck. Should have been prepared. Good reminder this morning, Goldie. That 10 a.m. consumer sentiment. Sweep 605 for me. Do it. Stop everybody out that just got along.
Cut it out. Shut your mouth.
Yeah. I was curious if this was gonna happen because 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 pullback now. If 605 holds, we're gonna break day's high, like for sure, in my opinion.
Let's go. Hold it.
Another fucking diagonal. That boy, what the hell? What happened with Ion Q? No. might sweep this one more time. So I'm looking at these, actually just these 608s for Monday again. Pull up the chart. They swept the dollar. 2 days, 2 days. Yeah. Yeah, these contracts low yesterday was $1.08. So they just took them all out. And they're the Monday expiration. I'm talking about 608s for Monday. Actually, I might go closer to the money. Fuck that. 607. Just looking to hold 605 here. If 605 breaks down, then we're probably headed lower. Also this higher low here that we set this morning.
It's not filling me, so that's probably a good sign. Fuck, fill me. It's bullshit.
Wow.
It's bullshit.
Yeah, I didn't get filled again.
Son of a bitch.
There's no like ask button on here, is there? I need to learn how to use this better. Drop it one more time. Okay, I got filled on the orders I fucking couldn't close in time. My dragon was upset when he didn't get filled on SPY, but now that it's back down, he's not clamoring. What does that mean? I'm waiting to see if we sweep 605. I'm in some 60. What did I take? I'm in some 607s for Monday. But I want to see 605 hold. Google off a cliff.
I think everything went off a cliff.
I mean, it could come pretty damn low. I have like the 186 shelf. Is it highlighted? What else? Big dumpy and not looking good for SPY if we can't catch here soon. It's that trend line again too. The same trend line that we bounced off of yesterday. Actually, no, it's not. Never mind. That's down here 603. So actually, yeah, we might even get pull back to that trend line because this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 into 609. Yeah. Looks like they're gonna eat some theta, maybe give us 604 again. Coin off a cliff. Yeah, Google. I mean, if it could be going really low. I mean, we could be headed to 180. The first spot I would look is, like I said, the 186 shelf.
I fell off there again.
Yeah, I got stopped on what I had, but I'm gonna try and let me take a look at this. Yeah, as long as we hold above 603, this high or low, I still think we're gonna get one more high into 610, 609, 610. So I'm looking to buy either a really strong move back above 605, which we might be getting right now, or shit, what is this? Go away.
Fuck.
Okay. Like a 604 sweep, but it's looking like 605 is trying to hold here. 605, 605, yeah. Why is this? There we go. Go away. So see if 605 can hold here, because we can fucking rip it right back.
I can rip it.
It was looking like you wanted to buy that dip so bad, but now it's below. Yeah, I mean, because of the reaction. Like, right, you see this, like, this was a fire scalp. I'm a scalper, bro. These contracts probably went 50% in that wick. So the deep move into 605 gave a bounce of a fucking $1.50. That's why I was mad. Because like,
Yeah.
because I could have made a fuck ton of money in 30 seconds, not even. That's why. And then when it started to come down here slower on lower volume, look at the volume. This is why, right? Big volume spike, opportunity to make money. lower volume and kind of getting dragged, now I'm like, okay, I just want to hold 605, right? That's the thinking, right? Lower volume. I want trending price, trending volume. When you see that massive spike into, again, like 605, I highlighted in pre-market. I said range is 607 to 605. So move down into 605, I'm looking to long. So that was like me feeling like I missed my opportunity. And then to see that it came down slower on lower volume, okay, it's not going to rip right back and take out day's high instantly. We're going to need some volume to come in at the 605 level to hold, which is what we're potentially seeing right now. But yeah, I mean, I could have scalped for, some money, knowing that 605 is my support level. So that's why. Yeah, I mean, and again, like I trade like this. I'm not like, if you don't fucking trade like this, don't do it. Like, don't do it. You're not going to make money. At least not trying to do it initially. But yeah, holding pretty nice. Again, like, yeah, these massive volume spikes for reversals, like, or at least when you want to be paying attention. All day we got dragged up on no volume. So yeah, take me back to 607. Let's go, Sandman. NNOX, beautiful. Nice trade. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna be like purging the gains channel like periodically, just of like chat type stuff. But like definitely like don't stop chatting in there. Yeah, I think we still may even. I don't like that like we still could get it. This could be, we could get an ABC down to 604 still. See how this develops.
How about you just be wrong for once?
It's like and that's the thing, like with the reaction here, like with it just kind of chilling, like that makes me think, okay, maybe we get ABC down to 604 and complete this like head shoulders, and then we go for the fifth high, third high, fifth wave. But if we hold 605, then we don't need to do that, but it's absolutely possible. Coin with a pretty solid bounce. It just went for gap fill. Trey's so right. I mean, not that I ever doubted him in the second, but like I started using Fidelity, like more so. And then I just see the gap shit play out like every day.
He's the gap guy.
Yeah, no, he's absolutely right.
Oh baby.
ASTS pumping. Nickel bought the dip too. 610s for, 610s for Monday. I like it. Yeah, if we get 604, I'll probably take that too. So it looks like we are. I'm just gonna drag it down. But yes, the exact. Yeah, couldn't agree more. Targeting that 609, 610 area. Okay. Do we think GMA will go over 25 today? I mean, it's not breaking down yet, but it's not bouncing either, so volume's just diminishing day over day. Yeah, no, we're gonna go to 610. Spy's gonna tank, and then GME's gonna fucking get wrecked. Yeah, 604. We're coming. Oops. Coming in. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna want to hold this. All right, 604.
Oh, baby.
She's dumping. Oops. Yeah, I want to be cautious here because I actually don't like that rejection of 608 too much. This is a 618, but we'll see if we hold 604 support. Think about, so we're coming trend line. Yeah, Google through. Da, da, da. But then I got high. All right, I would like it to sweep a little deeper yet, but I think 605's for Monday at $2. Do want to wait. I'm gonna wait because I want this zone to get tagged. Right back to that trend line we traded yesterday. Opened them yesterday. Wow, bro. Fucking awesome. Well done. You must be doing weeklies or short dated stuff. Fuck yeah. Okay, where's the premium on these? 605. Less sweep and pop. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, the sentiment was not good. Good shit, McConnell. Yeah, good shit, dude. Well done. Awesome. The SPY retrace back up. If we can hold 604, that's like definitely, like, I want to see it sweep. We're making higher highs, higher lows, so like If we lose 604, we're gonna probably lose 603, which would then change structure because we'd take out that low. Baba did double top and pulled back to 105. Yeah, really important that we hold this trend line that we broke out of and retested it already once. Otherwise, yeah, we'll fall back below 603 and our range will be 603 to 600 probably. But nothing changed structurally so far. We did reject a 618 potential wave 5 top, so like definitely like again, like if 604 doesn't hold, this is going to start a bigger correction. Always be managing. Hell yeah, nickel dropping bangers. Microsoft paying.
Good to have nickel back.
Or did I see? Should say Nickelback. LOL.
I'm hilarious.
LOL. Did not get my last sweep yet. And I know my... Oh. Yeah, I want to get back over 605 and hold 604. Otherwise, as time goes on, I feel like the likelihood that we break down becomes, it just gets, increases, I should say. It's basically like we're looking for bulls to step back up and hold again the higher low.
Come on, bulls.
Then structurally, we are still in an uptrend, right? Like as much as the big sell-off was a $4 sell-off, we haven't even set a new low yet.
Uber, son of a bitch. Oof. We going back up? We going?
Yo, Dragon, quick question.
Yo.
You're you're hopeful that SPY will come back up to 605, which you just did, but you're not in it yet, right? So are you expecting there to be a drop after this?
No,
that you can
I
get in on?
started nibbling small.
Gotcha.
I have what did I say, 605s for Monday.
Okay, you got the 605. And are they they're options, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. When it hit when that first big drop took place, and you immediately try to react and try to get filled, like how'd you know what to look for?
Just 605, man. I mean, like, I'm just assuming, like, it's just like a trade, like anything. Just assuming 605 is gonna hold. So move into there, on high volume. Like I said, it popped over $1. So like that's just high volume. Like I'm just, again, like I'm assuming I know what I'm doing when I'm taking these trades and trading these levels. So it's just confidence in my level, confidence that, again, like looking at the pattern. I mean, I drew this pre-market like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I knew the potential of this pattern playing out. Now it could break down still, but like I don't know. It's just awareness of where we are in the structure, confidence in my level, and then just like any other trade ever, knowing where I'm gonna stop out.
And what was the strike you were looking for in that moment?
At that, I don't even think I was reacting quick enough to get out of the. I was still looking at 608s for Monday, I think. Yeah, because they were down near $1. So basically because what did I enter at 181 earlier? So yeah, I was still looking at those, but it was just all happening so fast, so I didn't even I tried to get filled on those at, I don't know. Actually, let me look at it. The chart. Yeah, it would have been below like 80 cents, and they popped to $1. So they popped, 15-20%. And they're for Monday, so like that's all. I don't know. I like scalping. That's just what I do.
Yeah. So you just had the 608s up. You saw it drop. You tried to grab it. It was too late.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
because in the Fidelity thing, well, it's user error ultimately. But for what I was doing, I was trying to get filled, and I keep doing this thing. I don't know if anybody uses Fidelity, but I have to right click. Like I'm looking at the options chain. I right click on the strike or the the ask. Then I have to click buy to open. Then when it pulls it up, it says sell to open. So then I have to click that again. Go to buy to open. Enter the quantity. Enter the limit. Like all these things.
Yeah,
so
by the time you do that.
Which on Thinkorswim, I can I have just the, the actual. I'm sure there's something in Fidelity that's similar, but like in Thinkorswim, I have auto buy set on, so I don't need to confirm anything. I can put the number 5 on the 605 strike at the limit price. So it's one click to put in entry. This is like 10.
Yeah. You trade on both platforms now?
No, I'm just using Fidelity right now because I'm trying to learn it. Like I've just been trying to learn it.
Oh, gotcha. All right, man. Thanks.
Got above 605 for now. But definitely could be sweeping 604 one more time. Yeah, and usually like if I'm like taking contracts, like because I'm sitting on some contracts right now, I'm at break even. I'm up 61 cents. $10. But I'll just start to nibble them watching the premium chart. Like I'm looking at the premium chart on these 605s. The low of the day down here was under $2, which again, like even just support and resistance, like you can look at the premium chart and see $2. The $1.80 to $2 range has bounced multiple times on these 605 contracts. So that's another thing I'll look for. Like I will scalp contracts just looking at the premium chart, knowing, hey, yesterday's low on this contract was $1. It opened at 250 today. We get a big sell off into $1. I get filled near just over $1. Sure, they go down to 89 cents, but then a wick up to $1.40, and I can get out for 40 cents a contract. You know what I mean? Like I love doing that because that shit's easy. Because it's just trading volatility as opposed to like the direction.
Yeah, and you and you're not doing zero DTE on
I
this.
do. No, I mean that's perfect for that. Like that's my favorite thing to do is scalp those zero DTEs on Thinkorswim. Like right now, I'm trading in Fidelity, so no, because I can't trade zero DTEs in Fidelity.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so that's a Monday. Gotcha.
Right. And like I mean, I just don't even. I didn't even. I don't know. I was charting a bunch this morning. I didn't have a bunch of time, so I didn't even open up my Thinkorswim this morning.
Cool.
605's holding.
Let's go, pump it.
Dude, I have like 21-0 DTE.
Oh my goodness.
Bottom.
You got at the bottom? Wow.
Yeah, this goes up. I'm gonna be a happy lady.
Yeah, if this goes up, I mean, I lost a good amount on that.
The dump.
Oh yeah, I got wrecked.
I was just like, sell at market, sell.
Oh.
Fuck, sell. Yeah,
And then it was,
but you know, this market, crazier things have happened. So don't get negged out, guys.
Thankfully, yeah, that's what I've been doing a strategist going. Yeah, not many at a
Right.
time.
I just couldn't sell fast enough.
Yeah, I'm lucky I had my
that
stop up near
news.
there.
Fuck.
Good old news. Gotta love it.
Yeah, I mean that's a good
Yeah.
point. Like definitely, I mean Goldie mentioned it this morning. But that shit, yeah, I mean like there's volatility coming at a certain point. You know, gotta know. Coin has been wonky this morning. Wow, get it back over 280.
Bitcoin took a dip. UPSD's hanging on. What a stock.
Oh my god, dude! Yeah, look at coin. What the hell? Yeah, I'm afraid they might try and sink us back to 604 one more time. Unless this held as a diagonal, but I'd almost rather see it sweep. Yeah, I mean, even if we do hold this low, yeah, all the contracts short dated just got banged.
Oh, they banged me.
Which is why, you know, gotta take those profits.
Yep.
Gotta take them. Especially on zeros. When you see it, take it.
You can always get back in.
Yeah, I mean, right there. Could have exited, entered, and you'd, you know, be better for it. Obviously, again, like, you gotta be dumb active or have the ability to do that. But like I've said it a million times too, like if you don't have an active trader set up, if you can't get out of the shit that quick, you shouldn't be trading zero DTs because that shit's gonna happen. And like I mean, it's still gonna happen even if you do have the active setup.
Yeah.
I mean, like it's still gonna happen regardless. Goo, yeah, consolidation, dip for another leg. This is just one candle. Like, what pattern is that? It's just one candle.
So that was a pretty healthy retest of that 604.50, right?
Yeah, so far, yep. Yeah, I would say so. I mean, it's so here on this 1 minute, like here it's here on the 1 minute we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 5-wave move up. So like I just don't like that it's a lower high. Like because it's still we made a lower low, lower high. I still think the odds are we sweep and get this wave 5 target down lower. But yeah, like if you look at it in 1 minute and without the lower high, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a direction. yeah, that, I mean, again, if it had held that anchored VWAP, that's what you look for on the diagonals.
And I know the 0 GTEs like just got totally banged, but since you have Mondays, you feel good about.
I mean, I'm still
not-
getting banged, but I'm in a small enough position that if we sweep 604, I'm gonna add. And even if I add down there, my stop below on a breakdown at 604 isn't gonna completely fuck me, right? Like that's the idea. Like especially and again, like yeah, the highlighting that buying, like I didn't buy enough theta, right? Like I'm down now 10% on those. But again, I'm planning on doubling down if I get the opportunity. And even if I do double down and then take the loss, still it's still a reasonable, 20% on my whole position size. So like I'm managing my risk. Could I manage it a little better? Probably. But like the way I'm thinking about it is that, that like that.
Is there a world where you swing these for a gap up on Monday, or is this you want out?
Yeah, I mean if we're above 607 maybe, and well, I think 610 is gonna be a big deal. So if we get 610 before close, no. Like, but if we just sit here on, well, I'd probably get theta banged. So probably not. It's just not enough theta. It's not enough theta. If we get back above 605, our range is 605 to 610. So, like I said, if we get in the upper, if today we were fortunate enough to see the upper end of that range, I'd be out.
Cool, thanks.
Maybe leave a runner, but like other than a gamble, that would be what it is. Because like I'm looking for, I have 605s. I'm looking for ultimately 603 here to hold, 605 to be reclaimed, and then the directional move above 603 is my opportunity to take profit. 605, the move back above 605, if and when it comes, is when I want that move higher, is when I want to take profit. Send it anxious. What do you use to see the change in premium? So on whatever broker you're on, well, it depends on the broker you're on. I use Thinkorswim and Fidelity, and in both Thinkorswim and Fidelity, you can look at the like the chart of the contract. So like you look at the chart for SPY 605 calls for Monday, and it shows you the historical chart, and just like the SPY chart, but for that specific contract. It's not the option calculator, no. It's actually like if you go in your options chain on either of those and you right click, there's an option to view the chart, like I said, of just that contract. Coin trying to get strong again over 275. Hell yeah, bitch McConnell. No, you sent $100 of the scam dragon? Fuck, No.
Yeah, I had one. I had a scam dragon reshare something of mine at like 4:30 or 5:30 this morning. I'm like, there's no way that motherfucker is up right now.
Fuck, that's fucking whack. Nice move over 605. Ideally like to take out 605.75, which was the previous high that we sold off of, or rejection level that we sold off of here. So like when you build out these ranges, I highlighted this yesterday. And bye-bye, if actually here, I got this, bye-bye. Let's go. Start recording.
Work, bro. I'm doing it.
Okay, so what I'm looking at here is this sell-off consolidation range that we're kind of seeing here, right? You highlight this high here, right? Kind of big move down, the first noticeable bounce after a decent volume. You draw a straight line trend across here. The way I look at this is, okay, you have a range on the high. You have a trending, draw. I like to draw them down like this, okay, kind of like that. Because the potential here is this pattern is like down, up, down, up, down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I always draw the line side just straight across, because even a move above here, if it fails back below, a lot of times you're going to see this play out. So always, again, just what I like to do is take this high, draw a straight line across, noting its resistance, looking at volume shelf. It lines up very well. And again, below this high, the odds of sweeping deeper, especially if we were to lose 605 in this case, it's going to happen, right? But if we can break out with momentum above 605 through this high and continue on, beautiful, right? But just again, especially if you're longing down here, you're going to want to be taking profit here, right? Just a quick example there. Coin nice and strong, dude. Get over 280. Yeah, it's a big deal. AI pumping. Let's go. No, it's only at 35. Yeah, no, it's looking good though. I am long shares. I actually kind of sniped it. It's my average. Yeah, below 30, 31. Send it. So in the bullish scenario, we'd be starting, or ideally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So this is wave 1, 2. The next start of 1, 2. See big 3, ideally. In the bullish scenario. Nvidia's still strong, higher highs and higher lows. Didn't even really pull back that much. Coin back into 280. Oh shit. His new all-time high, 46. Amazing. Abba back up near resistance. Things hanging on strong. Can we get the chop over with? Hell yeah, Smitty. Smack it.
She getting it?
Smack some 604 calls.
That 604 being a higher low. I mean, I did snag a few more at that.
Yeah.
And that was a pretty healthy, since it's a higher low theory of it being coming out of the correction.
Right. Yep. I mean,
Even
again,
if it continues to sweep, as long as it's sweeping a little higher.
yeah. Right. Yeah, I mean, we're hanging on to that smaller structure. It's definitely, I mean 604 has been strong so far. Just want to see it. Yeah. Looking solid so far.
We see 610 or 608 today, you might hear a grown man.
Grown man.
Just so you guys know.
Yeah, it's gonna be me.
Just give some literal,
Oh man. I'm watching coin here. We can't break through 280. I'm assuming there's going to be well, if there's weakness in the general market, I'm assuming it's not going to get through 280. SPY's likely going to sweep 604. But I'm going to be watching a move down, like a sweep of 275 for a bounce on that too, because I think that's could just go. I actually would prefer to just see it move through 280 for SPY's sake, or just like the general market's sake. But something I'm watching in case it happens. Cooking for the boys if we get 610. Hell yeah, I'm ready for it. Let's go. Let me know.
Is that anxious?
Yeah. Let me know your thoughts on doing a charting session with me. Yeah, we'll definitely do it, bro. Yeah, I owe you one.
Another theory, and I had a question. When you're looking at like, since the VIX is still pretty low right now,
Mm-hmm.
and it's obviously pointed just based off news, isn't it kind of a little bit more validation that it's still going to stabilize since the VIX is staying low?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean similar, right? Like VIX actually, lower low, lower high. So from a technical standpoint, I think that continues. I really can't wait for VIX to get down to like $14, and like if and when that happens, I think it's just something's gonna happen crazy. So yeah, I'm seeing the same thing. Like essentially, it failed to like fucking fly. It's not over. It's not an overreaction. It's not. It just made a lower high. SPY has made a higher high, higher low. So it's just they're not inverse 1-to-1, but thinking about it kind of simply in that sense. At least for what we have right now, I think is valid.
Hey, Dragon, on your SPY chart, you know how you drew the horizontal line? Is there a reason why you wouldn't draw a trend line hitting that last the peak that failed to hit the horizontal line? Like, why didn't you do it like that?
This one here.
Yeah.
Because this is the start of the pattern, so I'm looking for a pattern. So, and I'll pull the pattern up here. Coin through 280. If it holds 280, it might start melting. Yeah, no, really good question, and it's because of the pattern. Now, what's also valid here? Actually, this would be a good question. This would be great. Where is my pattern shit?
Because it's a triangle or something like
Exactly,
that.
right, exactly. And the triangle could have been over already into this sweep, right? Because we have a wick 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be 5 here, which is what we want if this is going to hold 605 and this be a bullish pattern to break out, right? That's valid. Now, I like to be conservative because I like money and I don't like losing it. So when I look at these and they start to consolidate, I think about it like, okay, market makers are building out a range. They're thinking, okay, everybody's like, oh, I want to buy the breakout. So they fake it out and then they they fuck them over. And I like to just, half the time I miss out on it or I miss out on a full position, but half the time I get entry where everyone gets stopped out. So that's just like the way I like to, I'm either one step ahead or I'm sitting on the sidelines. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. So as far as the pattern goes, let me pull up the.
And to clarify, like if you did a trend line that was angled down just along the tops, the peaks, that wouldn't be the pattern that you're expecting to play out, right? That's why you didn't do that.
From the peaks like this, or like this, you mean?
On the top one. Sorry.
The top one. So like the downtrend, like it's valid. Like look at that. What the fuck? Look, it literally just hit. What the fuck?
Jesus.
It literally just did it. What the fuck is going on?
Shit.
Okay, we got more data. We might be losing 603 here. Holy fuck. Oh my god.
Jeez.
What just happened? Something definitely just happened. So now
no shit, they're out of the money.
So yeah, we definitely just swept this low and took all that shit out. So this is not good. For the macro higher high. Oh my. That was a $4 move in 1 second.
Jeez.
My shit's not even loading. Come on. Oof.
It's inflation news.
Inflation news. Okay.
Fed Governor says that it'll take longer than in 2025 to get a neutral policy.
Tops in. We're done.
Well,
Yeah, you guys are gonna hear some tears.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Yep. Hard stops have been taken out. Very mean.
I didn't know we had inflation today.
I think it was just, it's not even like a time that news is typically announced. I think it was just a headline.
Oh, okay. Headline, you say?
I think. I mean, I'm guessing because it came out at what,
Probably.
9:53. So like, I'm just assuming it wasn't like it wasn't
Crime.
like CPI
More,
that comes out at 7:30 every morning or whatever.
President Trump told Republican lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs.
And now we're gonna get the whole reversal. He plans to what? Say that one more time.
I think this is actually the news that caused that. Says President Trump told Republican lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs as early as Friday.
Okay, so more tariffs. That's what the news is. Okay. We dumped on tariffs last time from literally the same spot.
Fucked me on tariffs last time.
Literally the
Hashtag
same spot.
fuck second time. I'll never learn.
Literally the same spot. Told Republican, yeah, there you go. Reciprocal tariffs. As early as today. So now we're waiting for what that might be.
Unlike the last drop, this isn't one that you wanted to jump in because I guess maybe you didn't know it was
No,
going on.
because like that's that higher low,
Yeah.
right? The higher low was trending. We were above this breakout trend. Now, like I said, we're below 603, so we're, or unless we can get back above it, but we're in range 603 to 600 now. So we're probably just gonna get dragged down to 600 if I had to guess, because I don't. Yeah, my guess is we're gonna get dragged down towards 600, just because like the news came out. I don't know. We're not like, I don't know. We had the bad reaction to the news. It's not like he's gonna tweet, "Just kidding." You know, that I feel like that would be what would need to like reverse the move completely.
But if anyone would, it would be him.
Yeah, true. It's like,
Yeah.
never mind. Never mind. Postpone to Monday.
Puts on Monday.
Yeah, just tweet buy the dip.
Yeah, tweet by the dip. There we go. UPST didn't get paid.
Not legal or anything.
One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get 600. Let's see if we do the maths. Yeah. Oops.
Uh-oh. It's 603.
Uh-oh.
Hold your asses.
Yeah, for real. We're back up to that trend line, so see if we can reclaim it or not. I'd probably take a trade if we got. Yeah, moving to 600, I'd probably try something. So actually, might take some 600 0 DTEs right here and Dun, dun, dun. Only if we're below 603 though. Ooh, nice. Good shit, Twigs. Hit some 95 March puts on Baba. Okay, there they go. Yeah, size for 0. I'm just going to stop if we get over, well, what's it called? 603 again, but I'm trying to short to 600 if we're below 603. Wait, what the hell? Did I not get filled? Dump it. Should put it to stop in, so one candle's gonna stop me out. No UPSC.
Oh boy.
LTR. Strong over 100. Oh, yeah, baby. There we go. Dump it. Give me my money back. Baba through earnings. When is Baba's earnings? 105 is the level though. Because below 105, I think it pulls back to 100. Yes, there we go. Spy. Revenge. Do you ever use VXX? No. I don't know what that is. I'll use VIX from time to time, but see what VIX is doing. Yeah, there you go. VIX did take out that higher high now. Ooh, Tesla. It's still green. Meta. Nvidia. Bitcoin. VIX is still pushing. What? Trump executive order to end paper straws. That is big.
Market tanks.
Come on, sweep the low. Don't give me range trade. No. If we don't sweep this low, we're gonna probably range, and we can still sweep. So boring. So if we sweep it sooner, then we know, okay, we're gonna hold or not. Just got stopped out. Bastards.
We're probably gonna see 605 again, aren't we?
Probably 608, honestly.
Oh my goodness!
Fuck.
Don't tell me that. Don't even tell me that.
Oh man.
I'm trying to eat out the hope strategy out of myself. So just
Yo, no
deal with
hope.
what I'm looking at.
No.
Sell. Oh, it's reclaiming. Of course.
Fill me, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Bullshit.
We did reclaim, so I used these two. Like, okay, this pattern did get this next leg. It did break down harder, but like the same thing as a breakout trend, right? This is the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a fifth high. It's either going to pull back and continue or reverse completely. So like again, same thing was just highlighting like, yeah, if we're back in range here, so hold in 603. I mean 603 is going to be the pivot. Hold 603, reclaim 604, or lose 603 and continue lower. Do 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 do. UPST with a solid bounce. Coin with a bounce right at that 275 sweep. ARM next couple weeks. Meta coin.
if I could chill for just a moment, I think following Spy this morning is going to make like an awesome video for your Discord. People that aren't part of that should really check these out.
Bye bye the fucking video master.
For real.
What the? This fucking thing. Okay. I'm red on the day. I'm red on the day. I'm red on the day.
Oh, same.
Fucking Trump, bro. He's supposed to help us out.
Yeah, what the fuck? Give us a candle.
Okay.
Get me out of this
where-
mess.
Oh yeah. Fuck. Okay.
Wrong candle.
We got the range trade. This is what I hate. Yeah, I still think we're going nowhere. Give me the fifth flow. $600. Let's just get 600 today, like now. And we'll know if we can be long or not.
I keep getting stopped out. This is bullshit.
Yeah, I'm done.
What
Done
the fuck?
trying for now. Maybe
Yep.
trade later.
Might be time to go get high.
I'm gonna watch coin because I'm intrigued. Above 275. I like coin. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it's a good idea, Berg. I just haven't been doing a ton of that, so like that's why I need to like kind of figure out a strategy that I want to use there, if that makes sense. Like I'll probably do exactly that, like just do 30 DTE. 9 times out of 10 it's going to be against a level that you can reference to a chart in the chart section. Like yeah, that's yeah. It's a good idea. I just need to like get that structured kind of and like plan to trade like that more so. Cuz I really don't. Love you to set up something for your people to book one on. Well, yeah, that's a good idea. Yep, like a rolling calendar. It's also on the list. Great idea. Thank you. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Like, I really am sorry about just kind of feel like I feel like there's so much shit to do and I'm not doing it quick enough.
Stop apologizing.
Well, that's just the way I feel. Like, that's why I'm like all over the damn place too.
Was
We're
like
here for
A3.
you.
What's that?
Right? Day 3 and not even meaning to launch it. You're good.
Well, yeah, that's the other thing is like, why the fuck are there 100 people in here? Because I didn't fucking tweet this shit out. Not that I'm not eternally grateful. Like, I love the fuck out of all of you. Like, unbelievably, I can't even express how like amazing this all is. But like, yeah, I mean, it wasn't like I didn't fucking launch my Discord. Yeah, so definitely high stress. But again, thank you. I can't, like I said, I can't express enough how thankful I am for all of you. Come on, come on, come on. Biggest difference between this time and last time is that we lost 600 last time, but we haven't lost it yet. We could be losing 600, but we haven't lost it yet. Dad Boy 99 said he wasn't he down on calls on INQ and then shorted it. Legend. Oh yeah, damn. LTR. What's Austin short in PLTR? I think it's going to 120. Big move up on SPY. Fighting to reclaim that trend line.
Oh wow, would you look at that?
We're back above the trend. Four-hour closes in 40 minutes. I haven't gotten any alerts on what? Unity still above 20. Square. I still think we're going 600. Alert. I would look to long at 600. Otherwise, yeah. What time is it? 10:20. Yeah, I'm down. Berg, I like the idea. I'll split it with you. Give it. Give it. Yeah. I'm probably about to pop off, get ready for a little meeting so we can set some shit up. So yeah, maybe we'll pop on this afternoon. Hopefully we get some power later. Again, I got alerts at 601 and 600. Give me that level. I'll look for a trade. Otherwise, I mean, yeah, we can start pumping back up, but middle of the day, I'm not looking for anything really. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys later or in a bit. Thanks for being here. Talk to you in a bit.